Canceling your DigitalOcean subscription involves deleting your resources and closing your account. Here's how to do it. Log in. Go to the DigitalOcean website and log into your account. Delete resources. Before canceling, make sure to delete all active resources to avoid further billing. Navigate to the Droplet section from the dashboard. Click the three dots next to each droplet or resource and choose Destroy. Confirm the deletion. Repeat this for all droplets, databases, or other services. Check billing. Go to the billing section from the account menu. Ensure all invoices are settled and no pending charges remain. DigitalOcean will charge for any usage during the current billing cycle, even after deleting resources. Close account. Once all resources are deleted and billing is clear, go to your account settings. Scroll down to the danger zone and select Close Account. Confirm that you want to close the account permanently. Confirmation. After closing, DigitalOcean will send a confirmation email. Your account and subscription will be terminated and no further charges will be incurred.